Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And as you can see with the key fob here, I can operate the power sliding doors and the power trunk lid. The conversion itself is a brand new conversion. It's manual, very easy to do. I can operate the entire conversion using only 2 fingers. I'm going to undo the clamp there. This is a really good design. It keeps these ramps from rattling. If you've ever been in a mobility van, you know the ramps generally rattle pretty bad, so it's a good design. Handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. So I tell customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, this conversion should be fine for you. It's 34 inches wide. It does taper down to about 32 inches there in the middle. It does have 8 tie-down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. It does have about 21 inches of room between the seats up there. If you need more narrow seats, we can put jump seats in there. Flip base seats that flip up on their side might be an option. Or if you're just hauling, the chair can slide up right up in between there. The passenger's legs can sit between those seats. So overall, pretty clean van. I do see a few small scratches back here. Probably, one time had maybe some kids back there scratching around, with little toys or something like that. Dash is in great condition. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eye for the radio and keep your eyes on the road. Auxiliary port, dual climate control. Real nice center console there. Plenty of cup holders in this van. It's got the rear air controls and the dual climate control, like I said. Got the power door options right there. You can operate all the power doors from inside the van. Plenty of cup holders in the rear as well. We do give a free set of tie downs away with this. And we've got everybody secure. Come back out. Put it up there with that one finger. Shut it back down and you're ready to go. Now, you can operate the power door back here as well. If you want to get these turned to manual, if you want to use this for a taxi cab, you can turn them to manual and they'll slide shut just like so. It's got the tinted windows, the roof rack, alloy wheels. These wheels have a couple small scuffs on them. Whoever had it may have curb checked it a couple times. All the tires are in pretty darn good shape. They're not brand new, but they all appear to have quite a bit of tread left on them. Overall, pretty clean van. Keep in mind, this has 70,000 miles. It is not brand new. The tire looks about brand new right there. It's not brand new. It's not perfect. But you can tell whoever's had it's taking good care of it. It's not all beat up. The interior is very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. All the seats are clean. As you can see, the current mile is 70,627. You can see how the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no airbag, no ABS. Power windows, power mirrors, we checked all these. This is not some vehicle that you come out and look at or that we ship out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That's not how we do business. Alright, let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. I don't see any signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents. No signs of any abnormal, of any rust or anything like that. You can see the battery's got a stamp on it. Looks like a brand new battery or a month-old battery. As I crawl underneath the van, very clean. No signs of any damage. No signs of any abnormal rust. No signs of any water damage or leaks. So that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things, and that's why I'm out here on the ground. It is very cold. I'll crawl around on the ground because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. You're going to notice our competition, they don't ever show you the undercarriage of their vans. And the reason being, I know they buy a lot of vans from New York and Chicago where they can buy them real cheap because they're all rusted out, because they're all beat up. So the #1 mistake, like I said, people assume things. They assume because it looks pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it's a good van. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out underneath. Don't assume things. That's the #1 mistake people make. People get burned on the internet every single day. Don't be one of them. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, tell them to get off their behinds, tell them to get out and make a detailed video just like I'm making right now. And don't be one of those people getting burned, like hundreds of people will get burned today and tomorrow and the day after that and so on. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Got about 68, 69 miles an hour there. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. It drives very nice down the highway. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And listen, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at our reviews online on Google. Please compare us to the competition. You know, buying a used vehicle is hard enough. Don't go buying it from some shysters that already have a bunch of issues that don't have great ratings. I promise you it's going to be more of a headache than it's worth. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. Our competition, a lot of them have real nice price online. Then they have a $500, $1,000, $1,500 in document fees, tag fees, shipping, freight, all kinds of just different fees they just add on and they don't tell you about. Trust me folks, these fees are just hiding money from you. And if they're gonna hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you about the van? And that's why I try to be very transparent about the vehicles we're selling and about the way we do business. There's no hidden fees. I'm gonna give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this ramp here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. Overall, very clean van, very nice, been very well taken care of. And I do believe if it's continued to be taken care of, it should make a great van for you or your family or your business for many years to come. And back to comparing us to the competition. Also, I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here making videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. You know, anything can look pretty in pictures. Don't trust pictures. Demand a video. And again, when you're comparing us, keep in mind when you talk to the competition, you're going to be talking to a used car salesman. They're probably not going to be working there in a week or two or a month or two. You know, they're going to move on, chase that next big commission check. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. All they care about is that commission check. Well, me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I care about your repeat business. I care about what you say about us. I want you to tell your family. I want you to tell your friends. I want you to tell your neighbors. I want you to tell them about affordable mobility. Tell them you got a good deal. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to talk to you. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. My name's Jeremiah. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big companies. See if they care about customer service and making sure you're happy enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. Ask one of them. I want to see what they say to you. Let me know. That ought to be interesting. Also, we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send you one to your phone. You can fill one out online. Let us know the easiest way for you to do it, but we do have financing available. And to see our entire inventory, check us out at www.mobility316.com, mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.